Hey everyone, hope all is going good with all of you. Welcome to this webinar on data science. Uh, Now, about me, I am a seasoned data science professional with over 10 years of experience in the field of data science and analytics. I have worked for multiple companies across different industry verticals, and I am also a trainer. I have trained multiple students who wanted to make a switch into data analytics or data science. Uh, I would like to welcome you to this webinar, and this would be an interesting webinar for anybody who is a data science aspirant. You might either be a fresher just out from college, or you might be into some other domain and you want to make a switch into data science. So, in particular, this webinar is for all of you who are planning to start out into the field of data science. This webinar would be a detailed webinar, a detailed session, and you would be able to understand what exactly is analytics, what kind of work do data scientists do through simple illustrations and few case studies. We will also discuss about few industry applications, what is the need for analytics, what are the different categories of analytics that different companies provide, what is the future scope. You will get an idea whether moving into analytics or data science would be the right choice for you or not. What are the probably skills that you need to enter into this market, what are the tools and technologies that are generally used here, and we will also discuss about the different career roles in this data science industry. So without wasting time, I would say that this would be a really interesting session for anyone who is planning to move into data science. This is right now the hottest sector in the job market right now. So I welcome all of you to this webinar that we should be starting pretty soon. Hope to see you over there. Thank you.